a country which still live in unity, peace, and harmony. In the lesson number 5, we have the male students of Koksiningsat UP School led by Xavier Zimoman, marching forward to witness the freedom of our country, how our freedom fighters have struggled to achieve this great day. In spite of all the challenges they face, they still work united for one goal, that's the freedom of India. And we have another contingent in the lesson number 6, taking part in this celebration, the female students of Koksiningsat UP School. And this group is being led by Menak Dishira as they march forward to pay homage to our dear chief guests. Let us remember our great leaders of our country, like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and others for their unwavering commitment to our country, India. In the lesson number 7, we have the contingents of St. Mary's English School on the whole, led by Benibert and Sangma as its commander, marching towards freedom, paying homage to our great heroes through their display. Next, we have Namrud English School from Songkhama in the lesson number 8, led by Bihan A. Sangma as the commander of the group. From the depths of history to the heights of progress, celebrating our journey and creation. So Namrud School represents with pride to make a historic event on this Independence Day celebration of our country. The next contestants we have in the lesson number 9, the boy students of St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Chinamat from UP section, led by Chigurk and Sangma as its commander, marching forward with pride as we celebrate the victory of our country. We have another girls contingent of St. Joseph Higher Secondary School from UP section in the lesson number 10, led by Isaiah Chikri Sangma, marching to witness the freedom of our country as they observe the day of victory of our country by marching together. Let's get ourselves into the spirit of togetherness and oneness for all the country. Lesson number 11, we have the male students of Davao Local Government UP School, and the group is being led by Timubert and Marak, marching together to observe Independence Day. That marks with discipline, coordination, and respect. It helps students to develop a sense of pride and responsibility, as well as a sense of teamwork by marching in steps with others. Students learn to cooperate and move in unison. Now at your side, in the lesson number 12, we have the girl students from Davao Local Government UP School. The group is led by Kamaronis at Marang as its commander, marching forward with pride and unity to observe the 79th Independence Day celebration of our country, India. Next, in the lesson number 13, we have the students of Davao Local Secondary School, and the group is being led by Winsam Dishira as the commander of the group. As they march, it reflects patriotism and national pride, as the great leader once said, freedom is not given, it is won. These marchers are living testament to that statement. In the lesson number 14, we have the students from Dandakol UP School marching to witness the great achievements made by our great leaders. Last but not the least, we have the students of St. Teresa English School, Matwa Hall, led by Trinidad R. Marak, They are marching graciously as we can see them stepping in unity and pride, which reflects the strength of togetherness. So here, the monuments has come to life. Thank you, Sir Nikhil Sira, and all the participants and the audience for being part of this meeting.
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए ऐसा दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी मैं वापस आऊंगा फिर अपने गाँव में उसी की छाँव में कि माँ के आंचल से गाँव के पीपल से किसी के